Hi, I'm Emily with Laurastar, and I want to share our new travel companion, IGGI. IGGI is a portable handheld steamer and sanitizer. This is a great product that has our dry microfine steam, and we can disinfect and we can remove wrinkles really easily. IGGI comes with a carrying bag, a heat protective glove, and a dosing bottle. So let me show you how it works. Here's my IGGI here, and I can unscrew the cap just like this. IGGI is our only product that we actually use distilled water. I don't have a filter here, and because my dosing bottle is going to fill to the perfect amount, I don't have to worry about overflowing my IGGI. So that is filled to the perfect setting right there, and I can screw my cap back in position. IGGI doesn't have an on or off button. I just need to plug it in, and it's going to take about 1.5 minutes to heat up. So what you'll see is that I've got a red flashing light here, and so my steam is going to be created as the water heats in my boiler right here. I also have a locking trigger right here, so if that's on lock, I'm not going to release any steam, so when I do pack this in my suitcase, I'm not going to drip from my IGGI. Okay? Now that my light has flashed and I've got the beep, IGGI's ready to use. Now that the steam is ready, check out my powerful steam with IGGI. Okay? So I've got the same hygienic steam that I have in all of my Laurastar, and I can disinfect. So I do want to hold this a little closer to my toy, and just holding this over for a few seconds, all of those germs are totally removed. So let me show you what else I can do with IGGI. I've got my heat protectant gloves, so if I want to remove wrinkles from clothing, IGGI can remove those wrinkles really quickly and easily. IGGI is really great if I have something that can't be put in the washer, like any kind of upholstery, so I can go right to my chair or any couch cushion, and I can steam and disinfect with the powerful steam that IGGI has. I hope you enjoyed learning about IGGI, another one of Laurastar's products that features the dry microfine steam.